The reversal in the market was pretty well identified by this long-legged Doji and the Dow, and stochastic is in the overbought condition. Also, there was approximately 10 plus trading days in the Dow that were trading consistently positive, and the Japanese rice traders have already illustrated or observed that if you get 10 or more trading days in one direction, that more than likely you're going to see a reversal. Today's weakness in the markets was based on a very simple premise that the first day they came back to test the T-line, today they opened lower, telling us the T-line was not going to act as support anymore. Stochastic's turning down. There's a good prospect that they could bring back the markets to test the 50-day moving average. The NASDAQ provided kind of the same scenario. After a flat trading range, you had a long-legged Doji, and then it moved in this direction. And then today, after yesterday's bullish trading, meaning it traded up above where they opened it, the fact that they gapped it down today and took it lower told us we had a bearish kicker signal in progress, telling us the selling is probably going to be pretty strong. Another prospect of them trading it all the way down here to test the lows. Your stochastics aren't quite in the oversold area. So logically, if you're trying to offset what might be your long positions getting to the point where the profit taking should start, you can also identify which patterns are showing bearish. Our recommendation on PI last week was based upon this dumpling top, and we know what the results are of a dumpling top. Just like a fry pan bottom, you usually have a very strong move to the downside. That same scenario was also applied to our recommendation to go short on CBI because it was starting to roll over and took advantage of this big price move. Basically, identifying the patterns allows a candlestick investor to not only be in the right direction at the right time, but the magnitude of their profitability was extremely strong. Although the prospects were pretty good that the market was about ready to turn, the candlestick signals still apply to the strength of bullish stocks, as a recommendation again to re-enter Hertz based upon the scoop type pattern. Still came up positive today, even in a very dismal market, just based upon the candlestick pattern. The patterns provide a much more high probability situation that no matter what the market is doing, the pattern will be working out. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.